Hi, my name is Martina Pelletier.
I'm Cody Pelletier.
And we're the owners of Laura Windows, the team members of OKNOPLAST. People love about these windows the fact that they're so easy to use and so easy to clean, and they're so practical and energy efficient.
Everything's intuitive. It's all off of one handle. It's very natural feeling operations for tilt, for turn.
The training here was helpful because we were able to be hands-on and we were able to get any questions answered right away with the individuals that were training us. So it was great.
The doors and windows from OKNOPLAST had an immediate visual difference. And then when you touch them, they also, the quality of the handles, their textures, it's obvious that they were made solid and with a lot of thought put into them. The installation, there's a few more steps, but it's very little effort for the amount of gain that you get from the window, installing it the way that they trained us to do today.
It's just a much more rigid, solid, well-built window. The biggest advantage that I see to it versus what we have used is that there's no wood involved. There's nothing that can rot or potentially fail as easily. I see them being a much more long-term product and just holding up for our customers in a much better way than what we have been using.